Hi, my name is Bethany Teachman, and I'm sending this from the University of Virginia. And I'm very excited for the British Association of Behavioral and Cognitive Psychotherapies conference this summer. I'm really excited to have the chance to share a talk with you on using technology to change anxious thinking and regulate emotions. And I'm excited to come and see beautiful Manchester. And my talk's going to focus on the challenges of providing care to the millions of people who are struggling with mental health issues and not getting the care that they need. I'm going to focus in particular on anxiety disorders and talk about ways we're thinking about using innovative delivery models, particularly digital technologies, to try to bring care to people when and where they need it most. So we focus in particular on drawing principles from cognitive behavioral therapies to use cognitive bias modification to shift negative thinking and anxious interpretation styles. So I'm going to talk about some of the successes we've had in this space and the ways we've been able to disseminate the programs we offer widely to people around the world, but also major challenges we've faced in terms of engagement and lots of people dropping out, and the ways that we're now working to try to adapt the programs to better meet the needs of diverse communities, ways we're trying to personalize the programs and integrate mobile sensing. I'm really looking forward to the conference. I love the theme of catalyzing change, ideas to impact. I think it's going to be a fantastic opportunity to learn about exciting advances in research and in clinical practice and how we can make the clinical services that we offer really meet the needs of people in the communities where they're at. I'm excited for the exchange of ideas and to come see you in Manchester. Thanks so much.